Hi there, it's Natalia Rose here. Hello and welcome to a Life of Power preview workshop. This is the third video in the workshop. If you are ready to step into your full human power, energy, life force, beauty, and inner strength, you are in the right place. My name is Natalia Rose, and in addition to being the author of 9 books on detoxification and cleansing, weight loss, and ageless beauty, I'm also the founder of the Natalia Rose Institute. Through my private Manhattan practice, books, and courses, I have been teaching my clients and students how to harness, embody, and wield the power of life for nearly 2 decades, enabling hundreds of thousands of my readers, clients, and students to restore their health, weight, beauty, and energy to optimum levels. This is our third video, and I think you're going to love it. Now, if you've missed the first 2 videos in this workshop, I highly recommend you stop right now and go watch them. They really are required viewing. I want you to get the full value of this workshop, so you should really watch the videos in order. Don't worry, I'll be waiting for you. Okay, this video is all about one of the most important understandings as it relates to power retrieval. It's about how to use the fundamental constant of the universe, which is change, to create favorable change rather than unfavorable change. One of the two will inevitably manifest, as this universal constant assures us. But we have a say in which way the change will shape up. This is also the major missing component that is absent from The Secret and all manifestation manifestos. This is why they do not work. They are missing this one essential key that I will share with you in this video. In the first video of the workshop, I taught you about primal power and introduced this new concept to you as a new foundation for your lives. Now, one of the things I want to help you achieve today is to ensure that all the change in your life that will take place in every given moment, in every area of your life, will have a favorable outcome for you. Favorable change has several synonyms: evolution, syntropy, integrity, and higher order. And they're also synonymous with life, energy, and intelligence. Where there is a gathering of greater intelligence, there is a gathering of greater life force, which shapes things to a higher order. Greater integrity, syntropy, evolution. When things operate in this way in us and in some area of our lives, be it our cells, our closets, we feel better. We look better, we think more clearly, and engage more harmoniously. By contrast, unfavorable change equates to disintegration, entropy, loss of consciousness, or loss of intelligence, decreased life force, and one word that simply captures it all: chaos. There is order and there is chaos. Chaos makes us feel worse, look worse, and engage with life in a messy way that has no positive end. So if we know that change is always, but always at play, and we know that the change can go one of 2 ways, either reaching a higher order or descending into greater chaos, we can undertake to make the choices necessary to ensure that we bring order to every area of our lives rather than allow things to unravel. We must do it. Left neglected, things do not remain neutral. They disintegrate. So, think about your things, the state of your personal living spaces. Think about your relationships, your internal organs, your car, your professional work, and how they are either reaching higher orders or disintegrating into chaos right now at this moment. The success my clients and students have enjoyed by putting this knowledge about order and chaos to practice has been amazing. Once we eliminate the limiting beliefs about outcomes in our lives and how they occur, and put this approach into cause and effect as creating conditions for greater order in everything we do in the course of life's changes into action, everything in our lives will literally change for the better. They must. It's a universal law. Once you start becoming aware of bringing everything in your life to a higher order, you will marvel at the results. you will be ever more embodying a true life of power. When you have the ability to wield power in your day-to-day life, nothing can ever make you feel beaten down by life or broken again. You will feel gloriously triumphant, accomplished, absolutely sound, and secure. In order to really own this ability to harness and wield such power, you just need to integrate the steps I'm sharing with you and incorporate this next level way of understanding into your connection with the power of life. It's been awesome, fun, and rewarding creating and sharing these videos with you. I've been getting great comments, and I love the interaction and community it has created. I know these free videos have already made a big impact on many people who have been commenting. Maybe it's even helped you. Now, if you're interested in taking this even further and taking the next step, I've put together an advanced training program for a small group of people. I'll be opening the course tomorrow. We'll enroll a new class, and then we'll have to close registration so we can start the program. Be on the lookout for the email. That email will include all the details about the upcoming year-long course, A Life of Power, and how you can get started. So look out for that very soon. In the meantime, I would love to hear about what you'll do with the information and how you think you'll feel when you integrate these teachings, and maybe what questions you have about it all. Please scroll down and leave a comment for me. I've been reading every comment and responding to dozens of them, and I would really love to hear from you.